we have geometrical mean. Suppose you have two numbers, let A and B be two numbers, and we have to insert a geometrical mean between these two numbers. What property it implies? जब आप कोई नंबर इंसर्ट करोगे तो those three numbers should be in GP. So let G be the geometrical mean between A and B. So if G is geometrical mean between A and B, then we can write these three numbers as. So what do we get from this? G upon A would be equal to B upon G, because these three numbers are in GP now. If these three numbers are in GP now, then if we cross multiply these two numbers, we get G square is equals to AB. Then we get G as root of AB. So this is geometrical mean between two numbers. ये तो था जब आपको एक geometrical mean निकालना है. Similarly, now we have the same condition. If we have to insert n geometrical mean, then what would be the formula? So we are inserting n geometrical mean between A and B. So let's say these will be A, G1, G2, G3, and so on, G and then B. So if these all terms are in GP, this is my last term. So how many terms I have now? These are n, this is 1, n plus 1, and this gives you n plus 2 terms. So total terms we have n plus 2. So my last term is n plus 2th term. What does it mean? कि t n plus 2 is equals to b, and according to GP अगर t n plus 2 का फॉर्मूला आप लिखते हो तो that would be what? a r to power n माइनस 1, यानी कि n प्लस 2 में से आपको 1 माइनस करना है तो यू विल गेट b. सो फ्रॉम देयर यू गेट a r n plus 1 is equals to b, and r to power n plus 1 is equals to b by a, and हमें रेशो ढूंढना है तो b by a to power 1 by n plus 1. अगर पावर इधर n plus 1 है तो राइट साइड इट विल बी 1 upon 1 by n plus 1 upon n plus 1. सो दिस इज़ योर रेशो. ओके, अगर मुझे फर्स्ट जेमेट्रिकल मीन ढूंढना है तो मेरी टर्म्स कुछ ऐसे थी a, G1, G2 एंड सो ऑन, यानी कि दिस इज़ माई फर्स्ट टर्म, दिस इज सेकेंड टर्म. तो अगर आपको सेकेंड टर्म लिखना है तो दैट वुड बी a r. सो माई a इज a अगेन, and the ratio is what? Keep it r only here, then put the value of r. So you will get b by a by 1 by n plus 1. Next we have to find the second geometrical mean, that would be a r square. So what does it mean? a b by a to power, यहाँ पे आपका 2 आ जाएगा क्योंकि पावर 2 है, यानी कि इसका पावर 2, that will give you 2 by n plus 1. तो कंटिन्यू इन द सेम पैटर्न. व्हाट डू यू गेट? अगर आप लास्ट टर्म निकालो तो क्या डिफरेंस आएगा? यहाँ पे लास्ट ज्योमेट्रिकल मीन निकालो तो दिस इज ए आर एन एंड दिस वुड बी ए एंड दिस वुड बी बी बाय ए. 2 विल बी रिप्लेस्ड बाय n बाय n प्लस 1. तो अगर मैं सिर्फ फॉर्मूला से याद रखना चाहूँ तो कैसे याद रखना है? a b by a, this part is fixed, this part is fixed, this part is fixed, only this part keep on changing, this will be keep on changing. तो आप सीधा फॉर्मूला याद रखो, gn का फॉर्मूला, यानी कि जनरल टर्म ऑफ ज्योमेट्रिकल मीन अगर आपको ढूंढनी है कोई भी तो सीधा आपने याद रखना है b by a to power n by n plus 1. Let's do with the help of an example, it will be more clear to you. The question is insert 4 geometrical means between 2 and 486. Again जैसे हम AP में करते थे, दो तरीके हैं इसको भी करने के. एक तो using formula. So we have to insert 4 geometrical mean, that is what? G1, G2, G3 and G4. So what is the formula for geometrical mean? That is what? A b by a upon n by n plus 1. So my a is 2, b is 486. So अगर मैं फर्स्ट जेमेट्रिकल मीन निकालूँ, सिर्फ ये चेंज होगा, बाकी सब कुछ फिक्स है, ये वाला पार्ट फिक्स है, यानी कि यहाँ पे 4 इंसर्ट करने हैं तो ये वाला है ना 4 लेके चलोगे एवरी टाइम. सो G1 इज इक्वल्स टू वॉट, A इज 2, B बाय A यानी कि 486 अपॉन A इज अगेन 2, देन whole power would be 1 by n plus 1, that gives you 5. So G1 comes out, this will give you 2 to the 4, 2 4 the 8, 2 3 the 6, 2 into 2 43 raised to power 1 by 5, 2 into 3 raised to power 5 whole power 1 by 5, so that comes out 2 3 the 6. Alright, so G2 क्या होगा आपका, 2 इंटू दिस इज ऑलवेज 243 की पार, अब यहाँ पे आएगा 2 बाय 5. व्हाट डज इट मीन, 2 इंटू 3 टू पार 5 इंटू 2 बाय 5, 5 5 कैंसल आउट, 9 टू ज़ा 18. देन G3 वी हैव टू फाइंड, दैट गिव्स यू 2, 3 की पावर 5 एंड होल पावर वुड बी नाउ 3 बाय 5 बिकॉज ये वाला है ना आपका चेंज हो रहा है. सो दिस विल गिव यू 3 टू पावर 3, दैट इज 27 विच इज 54. Then last we have to find G4. G4 would be 2 into 3 to power 5, 4 by 5, that is 81. 81 2 gives you, 81 into 2 gives you 162. So the four geometrical means you are getting are 6, 18 and 54 and 162. What does it mean? Geometrical mean का मतलब क्या होता है? If you are inserting n number of geometrical means between any two numbers, the terms you are getting will be again in GP. Next we have alternate method. हमारा question था that insert four geometrical mean G1, G2, G3, G4 between 2 and 486. So if you see the number of terms we have now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is your first term, this is your second term, this is your third term, this is your fourth term, this is your fifth term, this is your sixth term. You have 6 terms now. So what do you get here? अगर terms आपकी 6 है तो T6 जो है वो 6 term of GP है, and we know the formula of 6 terms of GP, that is AR to power 5. So your A is 2 and ratio you have to find, and this is 486, that gives you 243 R to power 5. So from here you get R as 3. अगर रेशो 3 है, आपके पास कोई भी चीज़ ढूंढने के लिए जीपी में, you should have first term, you should have common ratio. If you have both the things you can find anything. So I have to find second term of GP, that would be AR. Third term would be AR square, then fourth term would be AR cube. So my first term is 2 and ratio is 3, so this is 6, then 2 into 3 square, that gives you 18. Then I have 2 into 3 cube, 2 3 is a 6. Oh wait a second, yeah, correct. This is my second term, this is my third term, this is my fourth term, that gives you 27 to the 54. Then I have to find fifth term, so AR4, that is what, 2 into 3 to power 4, 81 to, that is 162 again. So this was my first geometrical mean, this is my second, this is third geometrical mean, this is fourth geometrical mean. So if you see, आपका सेम पिछले वाला आंसर आता है. अगर आपको मेथड याद नहीं रहता तो यू कैन अप्लाई दिस मेथड. अगर फॉर्मूला भूल जाते हो, दोनों मेथड आपकी करेक्ट है, बट थोड़ा अप्रोच अकॉर्डिंगली रखो. अगर आप वो पिछला वाला याद रख सकते हो तो ज़्यादा बेटर है. लेट्स प्रैक्टिस सम क्वेश्चंस नाउ. द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज शो दैट द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ कॉरेस्पॉन्डिंग टर्म्स ऑफ अ सीक्वेंस. आपको 2 सीक्वेंस गिवन है, वन इज दिस, अनदर इज दिस. अगर आपके पास 2 सीक्वेंस हैं, उनके कॉरेस्पॉन्डिंग टर्म्स, व्हाट डज इट मीन कि आप ए को ए से मल्टीप्लाई करो, ए आर को ए आर से मल्टीप्लाई करो, तो अगेन द सीक्वेंस यू विल गेट विल बी एन जीपी सीक्वेंस. आई होप क्वेश्चन इज क्लियर. सो लेट्स मल्टीप्लाई द फर्स्ट सीक्वेंस वी हैव ए आर स्क्वायर and a to power r minus a r and minus 1. And the second sequence I have capital A R, capital R, capital A R square, and so on, capital A R to power n minus 1. We have to multiply corresponding terms. So this into this, this into this. So we get A. So new sequence would be this A A R R, then A R square, and so on A R to power n minus 1, R to power n minus 1. Now we have to check if this is a GP or not. So there is only one rule to check whether it is a GP or not if we have the common ratio same. So this is my first term, this is my second term, this is my third term, and this is my nth term. So what does it mean? T2 upon T1, T3 upon T2, and so on should be equal. What does it mean? Any K, any R. So T second is what? A, capital A R R upon A. So what do we get here? We are getting ratio as RR. Similarly T3, हमेशा दो का combination आप कोई भी उठा के check कर लो. तो T3 is what? A R square upon A R R. So if you see here, you're getting the same RR. If the common ratio is same, so sequence is GP. अगर sequence आपका GP है, they have asked what is the ratio, तो ratio we are getting RR. This is your answer. Very simple. बस आपको सोचना है, formulas apply करने हैं, and पता होना चाहिए कि कुछ भी करने के लिए हमें क्या करना है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर आपको GP प्रूव करना है तो यू हैव टू फाइंड ए रेशियो, और अगर आपको कुछ फाइंड करना है, कुछ भी फाइंड करना है, कुछ मिसिंग है, तो यू नीड फर्स्ट टर्म एंड रेशियो. सिमिलरली इन AP वी नीड कॉमन डिफरेंस इन फर्स्ट टर्म. So these are the basic things we should know. Next question we have, if the pth, qth and rth term of a GP are A, B and C respectively, then prove that this is equals to 1. So now what we have to do, आपको तीन टर्म गिवन है GP की, that pth term यानी कि TP. So what does it mean? यहाँ पे स्मॉल a ऑलरेडी यूज है, तो वी कैन टेक कैपिटल A and R is also, you take R also capital. तो A R P minus 1. TP terms that is given small a. Then we have qth term, that would be A R Q minus 1 is equals to B. Then we have rth term, that would be A R small r minus 1, that would be C. So this is the first equation, second equation and third equation respectively. Now we have to prove this to power जो भी आपका given है, that would be 1. So let's apply formula. कुछ नहीं करना आपको, सिर्फ सब्सटीट्यूशंस करने हैं. A to power Q minus R into B to power R minus P into C to power P minus Q. So what is A? A I have this. So put the value of small a, that would give you A R P minus 1 to power Q minus R. Similarly B की वैल्यू आप पुट करोगे, that will give you this. तो B is A R minus 1 to power R minus P into A R, this was P, this was Q, and this is R minus 1 to power whole power is R minus P minus Q. अब क्या करना है आपको, जितने भी A हैं सबको एक साथ ले लो. A is what? Q minus R power. Then is this A we have R minus P. This A we have P minus Q. Then take all the R's all together. So R, this R has powers this and this. So we can write this into this. Then into R to power Q minus 1, जो भी पावर आप साथ में ले जाओगे, R minus P. Then into last one is R to power R minus 1 into P minus Q. तो हमने इंडिसेस किया हुआ है, अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट इफ द बेसिस आर सेम, पावर्स वुड बी एड अप. तो पावर गेट एड्स, अगर आपके बेस सेम है तो पावर गेट एड्स. तो आपका क्या हो जाएगा, A to power Q minus R plus R minus P plus P minus Q. द सेम वे जो भी R के पावर है आपके सारे एड ऑन हो जाएंगे. Q minus R plus Q minus 1 into R minus P plus R minus 1 into P minus Q. Now this R will be cancelled with this, P with P, Q with Q, you get A as 0. Similarly when you multiply all these things, you will get the power of R as 0, and any number power 0 gives you 1. So 1 into 1 is 1, which is equals to right hand side. As simple as that.